Previously, we did a 2-door conversion. Then the body was dropped and we widened the guards. Dropped the roof 5 inches and then stretched the door 8 inches. Hello and welcome back. Back working on the 38. In the last episode, stretched the door 8 inches. This time around, we're going to give it some structure. It's all this inner piece. You can see the door is very floppy. So I'm going to build out some of this, give it some strength, and then I'm going to continue along here and fabricate this B-pillar.
Your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking.
Completely stuffed it. Jeez. I folded it backwards, that was the mistake. This piece here is supposed to run down here into there. So that's what the flat part of it's for. And then this curved section that I shrunk in the shrinker stretcher, this piece here to make it go around the corner. Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm super happy with the profile. Look at that, it looks grouse. But this flat piece is supposed to be on the other side of it, so that this edge here is up there and then the bottom's down there. So it's backwards. What an idiot. Well. I got carried away. I intended to build all of this inner structure and finish tidying this area up here that I was working on. I was intending to do all that, but I really want to cement this profile, like the general shape. I want to sort of get that there, and I got excited. So I made this bit. You saw me cut it out. Then gave it just a little bit of shape in the English wheel. You can see it just comes this way a little bit and that way a little bit. And then I just butt welded it in, so overlapped it a little bit, and then just cut the excess metal away and tacked it in. Sorry about my voice, it's extremely cold in here. But no, that's cool. It's pretty gangster. What I'm tossing up at the moment is whether I fit a gutter. This car had a gutter when it was a 4-door, and I cut it off. You can see sort of scabby welds along there, but now I'm not sure whether I need to put one back on. Just have it sort of start here, come around, follow this down here, and then sort of terminate here, I guess. I've got to get onto this side as well. This has got the stubby door, now that the other side's 8 inches longer. But yeah, that thing, this door stretch was absolutely on point. That is exactly the look I'm going for. Anyway, I'm yabbering on. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.